Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about two examples of simple probability problems. And here's the first problem. Each of the letters in the word Mississippi are written on separate pieces of paper that are folded, put in a hat and mixed thoroughly. One piece of paper is chosen without looking from the hat. What is the probability? It is an I. So let's count how many letters we have in this word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number of letters are 11. And how many letters are in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our probability to choose letter I would be 4 out of 11. Hence the answer A. And next question. A card is chosen at random from a deck of 52 playing cards. There are 4 queens and 4 kings in a deck of playing cards. What is the probability that the card chosen is a queen or a king? The logic is the same as in previous example. We have 52 playing cards from which we have to choose 4 kings and 4 queens. So 8 cards. But you see, we don't have such an answer here. Let's check. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. And we are going to get 4 over 26. But still, we can divide these two numbers again by 2. And we are going to get 2 over 13. And as you see, this is answer B. So as you see, probability to choose a queen or a king out of 52 playing cards would be 2/13. Answer B. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.